You searched how to buy shares of Ladder Capital Corp, a company focused on commercial real estate finance and lending. Ladder Capital Corp trades on NASDAQ under the ticker LADR. This video is educational and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account, and I'll use eToro as the example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account with an identity document and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker LADR to find Ladder Capital Corp. Make sure you select the listing that shows NASDAQ to locate the correct stock. On the stock page, check the company summary and the price chart to confirm the security matches Ladder Capital. Verify the exchange shows NASDAQ and the ticker LADR to ensure it is the right asset. Click Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to invest, then review the order details before confirming. If the market is closed, your order may be queued, and if you do not have enough funds, the platform will ask you to add them before finalizing the purchase. After the transaction completes, the new position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. Find the eToro link in the description below if you want to follow the same step-by-step examples.